I don't have a lot of unpopular opinions too often.
It's a good opening. It's a good opening. Strong start. But
And maybe it's not even an unpopular one. But so here's something I've been thinking about a lot lately. I'm not sure if it's because we're all home and can't really go anywhere, shouldn't really go anywhere, and just more time to think. But diversity efforts shouldn't only be the burden of those carrying it. Okay? If you recognize the benefits of a diverse community or workplace, then get off your tush and help make it a reality, right? If you've been sort of wishing, right, that your local tech community was more diverse, stop agonizing, organize, right? You can play a role in this. You can't leave it up to others, least of all those that are trying to sort of step out from that shadow, from that cloud, right? It's everybody's responsibility, not just those who have to deal with it.